Generating yourself using AI tools has never been easier. Now, my first ever tutorial video showcasing how to do this was back in October 2023. Now, since then, I've done about a dozen videos showcasing different methods and tools. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the best methods to generate yourself using AI tools for beginners all the way to expert. First, let's start with the methods for beginners. So Leonardo AI, Midjourney, Krea AI, and Luma all have the option to upload an image of yourself and use that as a character reference. First, let's have a look at Midjourney. So it's quite simple. We click here, we find an image that we want to use. Let's go with this one. Make sure you select character reference. All right, we enter a prompt and we press enter. Here's how it came out.
May God have mercy on us all.
They pretty much generated any Arab guy with a beard and my eyebrows. How about Leonardo AI? Hopefully that generates me a little bit better.
Oh, won't somebody please think of the children?
What about Luma? That's the latest one. Surely that will not let me down. All right, let's be honest. Some of those images were somewhat accurate, but at least we can say that those methods are very simple and they barely cost anything. Now let's move on to the intermediate level. Now this is where you can train an AI model of yourself using a number of images from different angles. Now the first time I did this, I was using the FluxDev LoRa trainer on Replicate. Then FreePic released their own version. And then finally Krea AI came to the table and released this as an option on their website. Now before I show you guys how to do this, here are some of the results. Now the process for all the three AI tools that I had mentioned just before is pretty much the same. They just have different interfaces. My preferred one is using Krea because I like the interface, and there's also other features on the website that I also use. So these were the images that I used to train my model. Now let me show you this really cool feature that I learned watching a video from Bob Doyle Media. Shout out to Bob. Let's say you're shopping online for clothing, but you'd really like to see how well an outfit looks on you. Screenshot the photo of the model and save the image. Then select your trained model, upload the image of the actual clothing and click generate. Now you can see what you would look like wearing those clothes, which will help you with deciding if you want to buy those clothes or not. Anyway, go give this a try. I think everyone should have a trained model of themselves. Let's move on to the last method, which is for experts. Now for this, we are going to use Kling AI's new custom face model. Now to be fair, you don't have to necessarily be an expert. It's actually very similar to the previous method. However, instead of uploading images of yourself, you're going to be uploading about roughly 20 to 30 videos of yourself from different angles. I did a step-by-step tutorial showcasing how to do this. Go check this out, guys. So once you've got that all set up, you can literally just click the character, type a prompt, and here's your generation. So go give these three methods a try, guys. They're not free, but they're not going to send you broke. After that, technically you have mastered the art in generating yourself using AI. As always, here is my favorite community post, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.